Come join us for Breathe, Rebuild, and Blossom Art Show on April 10th at 5 p.m. This is a part of the 4th annual Oh How the Budding Blossoms Wellness Series this spring. Dr. Kimberly Berrigan with 1010 Therapy will be our speaker at 6 o'clock to talk about prolonged exposure therapy for PTSD recovery and healing. With live music, local artists, and vendors, it will be a great night in community and wellness. For more information about vending opportunities, contact True Vision Creative Solutions at 636-200-8428. All are welcome. I hope you'll join us.